Hey friends, if you wish to remove bloatware on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So earlier I used to prescribe a script, but this time I won't. I will go to the longer method for some reasons. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab and select installed apps. Now we will carefully remove the apps that we do not require, and I would suggest you this way: set it by date installed, because that way you will get the list of apps that were installed by you on your computer on the top, and they occupy a lot of space because the default Microsoft applications, most of them would be just 8 KB in size, because they when you click on them they will be downloaded from the cloud, and even Google Calendar and all is just 184 KB. So you can search for applications that are occupying a lot of space and then make a decision on whether you need them or not. Okay, so all of these are not bloatware, but yes, a lot of it counts as bloatware. Okay, so you can check all of these individually, and this is the reason I prescribe not to run the script, because when we used to run the script that is available freely online, it is deleting a lot of apps which are hardly 8 KB in size. So even if it is bloatware, I mean, you call it bloatware, it is not actually bloating your system, and removing it does not help you much. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.